Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner Finn Austin there, and I'm going to do a rant on the Wiggles because I hate that show with the burning passion. Okay, let's start the rant. The Wiggles. What? More like the dorky Wiggles. Oh my freaking gosh. This show sucks. And this show involves 4 dorky Wiggles, and they like to go on failure adventures. Greg is a dork. Greg is a dork. Anthony's a dork. And the Wake Up Purple Wiggle is a dork. And Murray's a dork. All of those 4 Wiggles are dorks. And do you know who likes the Wiggles? Nobody. And do you know who hates the Wiggles? Everybody. Everybody hates the Wiggles with the burning passion. So the Wiggles sucks. And so does those Wiggles. Those Wiggles suck too. End of rant. If you have any requests about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.